Proper insulation around valves is especially vital in hot and chilled pipe settings. SSL II with ASJ Max fiberglass pipe insulation works well in these applications with some specific cutting techniques. First, measure to the center of the valve and mark the insulation. Mark and cut a hole that matches the width of the valve. Open the covering. Using a very sharp knife, fillet the insulation to fit the valve body. Close the insulation around the valve using the self-stick SSL II positive closure system.